I feel like I need more information to be able to assist the customers that contact me. I feel unprepared.
It's really repetitive, and I have to ask people the same question over and over again.
I had a burnout, and I had to quit.
Human intelligence and artificial intelligence have a long and storied history of being in competition with one another. This is an age-old narrative. Welcome to the age of collaborative intelligence. It's obvious that we humans possess unique qualities. We're creative, empathetic, and use emotional intelligence and nuanced judgment to solve complex problems. Machines, on the other hand, are fast, scalable, and accurate. These two fundamental truths are not in competition. The best approach is harnessing the power of both together. We call this collaborative intelligence. In the contact center, our approach is to embed AI into our core platform to augment and improve human productivity. To achieve this, we aim to empower humans with the tools to build, train, and optimize AI, and gain insights into the vast amounts of valuable data that sits in the contact center. It's this togetherness that unlocks the true power of your workforce and helps you create a customer experience that delights customers and works in the real world.
Okay, everybody, here we go. Okay, and ready? Action.
So Jerry, as it relates to sort of customer experience, what do you think consumers are sort of really looking for these days?
Well, I think they're looking for the technology to allow service organizations to respond more proactively to the needs that they have.
Yes, it does. I mean, if you think about sort of a traditional contact center, people were kind of ringing in when they had a problem. But
right.
if the business knows that the problem exists, why aren't they reaching out to you? Mm-hmm. You sort of saw this first in like the airline industry. You know, when a flight was cancelled, now you get an SMS saying your flight's been cancelled and we're rebooking you on the next flight.
Yeah, and it would be great if your internet router is not operating correctly, if the company could reach out to you and let you know that it needs to be repaired.
Yeah, rather than you finding it out when you need to use it.
Right. Retention has always been a big issue in contact centers. So how do you think this collaboration between human agents and AI technology might help to address that kind of problem?
Fundamentally, agents really want to help the people that they're interacting with. And so if you're using a technology like AI to allow the agent to do their job better by pushing information to the screen that can help the agent answer a question or work their way through a complex process, that's generally appreciated by the agent and it's definitely appreciated by the person that you're helping.
So the collaboration between humans and machines, really they enhance each other's strengths. You've got the machines that bring the speed and the scale, and on the other hand, you've got humans that bring the empathy and the judgment.
Exactly.
What's being done to make it easier to train the AI systems to adapt without the need for a lot of AI specialists?
Well, quite a lot. In fact, if you look at the last few years, that's where a lot of the effort has been spent. One of the biggest challenges in building sort of any AI system, particularly conversational AI, is how do you build the language model? Yep. Essentially, the brain that is understanding all the permutations of how someone might ask a particular question, for example. Now, in Five9, that tool has been designed so that a non-technical user can use it. So there's no coding or anything like that. You just need to understand what's going on inside the contact center itself.
So what does this mean for you? Why does it matter to your business? Well, it means the ability to be agile and to scale dynamically based on surges in demand. It means a deeper satisfaction for your agents in their roles, improving retention and avoiding churn. It means keeping up with increases in quantity and complexity of inquiries. It means delivering excellent service while managing costs and using technology as a competitive advantage while still allowing customers to engage with an agent if they want to. It means using intelligent virtual agents to enable self-service to solve problems before they escalate. It means happier customers because they get their problems solved faster and more efficiently. And finally, it means practical AI that works in the real world, giving customers the best experience possible.
If we were able to give you more information, would that solve some of the problems?
That would be amazing.
That would make the job more satisfying.
I feel like it would let me help people.
It's through collaborative intelligence that your human talent can come together with our contact center solutions to create a force multiplier for your business. Collaborative intelligence with Five9 truly unleashes the potential of both humans and AI.